Contact GEN 1688L14 to 30P to multi-outlet power cord 30 amp 4-prong. Plug, male, NEMA 14 lira 30P, 30 amp 4-prong. Connectors, female, NEMA 5 to 1520R, multiple outlets available. Cable, SJTW 10/4. Length, 25 feet. Max watts, 7, 500 watts. Generator locking extension cord, locking 30 a 125 250 V 14 lira 30 plug to straight blade 15 a 20 a 125 V, with T-terminal fitting, NEMA 5 to 1520R connector, NEMA 14 lira 30P male plug max power, 7500 W approval, plug, connector, and 25 feet SJTW 10/4. See all limited 1 year. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.